Hi and welcome to Show's classes. Today we are going to be doing a very important sum on mathematical expectation. You can WhatsApp or call us at the number given on the screen for full videos or for any questions or queries that you may have. Let us see the question. Let the random variable x have the following distribution. Now, for what p is the variance x a maximum? Here random variable x takes the value that is 0, 1, 2 with respective probabilities, that is p 1 minus 2p and p again, where p lies between 0 and half. Therefore expectation x can be calculated as 0 into p plus 1 into 1 minus 2p plus 2 into p. Therefore it comes down to 1. Now expectation x square is equals to 0 into p plus 1 square into 1 minus 2p plus 2 square into p, which is equals to 1 plus 2p upon solution. Therefore variance of x equals to expectation x square minus expectation of x whole square, which is equals to 2p, where p lies between 0 to half. Obviously for 0 to half p, that is when this limit persists, the variance x is maximum when p is equals to half. Therefore variance of x, let us take this as max, equals 2 into half, which is equals to 1. With this we come to an end of another great video. Please like, subscribe and click the notification icon on our channel. You can contact us at the given number for any queries or for full videos on our courses. Thank you for being a part of Show's classes. Have a nice day.